Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I am constantly losing my son's pacifier in the diaper bag, and then it gets all gross with crumbs and stuff in the bottom, and I've got to wash it off. But this Itzy Ritzy pacifier clip has saved my life. It can hold up to 2 pacifiers in this, and it is great for keeping them out of the crumbs and the dirt, and it makes it so much easier to find because I like to clip it on the outside of the bag so you always know where they are. It's so cute and it has these great details on it. It's got the Itzy Ritzy logo stamped on the bottom and this cute little tassel. And the clip is nice and big, so if you have a larger strap that you're trying to put it around, it's gonna fit. I can fit my watch charger and my phone charger wrapped up in here, so it's great for an overnight or if I'm just going somewhere for the day and I know I'm gonna need my chargers. I love how cute this pacifier case is, and also that I can use it for plenty of other things once baby doesn't need the pacifier anymore. And that's my point of view.